Hi everyone, in this short tutorial I will show you how you can create one powerful AI video UGC with Mintly AI. This is tool generated post ads and video UGC. We'll log in on Mintly AI, you will find the link in the description. Now we passed the product URL and here Mintly AI it's grab all the title, description and image the product inside. Now we'll generate it one powerful convert post ads. Here we choose the style and type the prompts, and here Monthly AI it's generate me it's one powerful post for my ads to this product. Let this is look at this professional and clean post for ads. Now we go to generated video ads for my products. Here we choose the style UGC you want, click on it, and here upload your photo for about your product. Here you pass the prompts you can generate it by AI, choose that TikTok or Instagram, and here you full AI UGC video generated in one click. Now if you want to try Monthly AI, you'll find the link in the description and see you the next one.